Hello everyone! Welcome or welcome back. Here's Lily. In today's video, samahan niyo po ako. Magpunta po tayo sa Portugal in Lisbon. And isi-share ko po sa inyo ang mga ginawa namin dito sa Portugal together with my other three girlfriend. Yes, it's my first time to visit Portugal. So, nung dumating po kami, nagutom agad kami. So, kumain po kami dito sa malapit na restaurant. Since it is in the near of our hotel, yeah. So, meron din pagkain dito sa hotel, kaya lang buffet. At meron din naman sila ditong ino-offer na free juices sa counter. So, this is the hotel we're gonna stay for the past few days nga po. Yeah? And yeah, i-review ko po ito para sa inyo. Ito po yung rooftop. Have a room tour. So, my girlfriend, that's me. And this is our bathroom and toilet. Everything looks fine. We have here hair dryer. We have here the mirror. Yeah. Paper. Shower cap. Glass. And so cleansing gel. We are here at Hotel Jupiter. Yeah. Furthermore, I have here, or we have here our bed. Oh yes, everything looks great with complimentary water. Yeah, TV, coffee, tea. And how it look like outside? Is it good or not so good?
No, it's only
It's only stairs and so on. We're at the 4th floor. Not bad. At meron din sila ditong safe guys, tsaka mga sleeper for us to use. The next day, we took the taxi because we wanna go to the Pink Street. And yes, our team wear red, so it's
guys,
a red day. And yeah, we had a lot of fun looking for the buildings here are amazing kasi it's made of tiles. Yeah,
In front of
different
the
kind of tiles,
church.
mostly blue.
Yeah, we're
Charts
going
here. Yeah,
here
this is
somewhere.
the market, I guess. Yeah, but it's just near the Pink Street. And there's a lot of there's also tuk-tuk. Yeah, we enjoy watching those umbrellas hanging there. And without the selfie, it's that's why we have a lot of selfie here, guys. And we did enjoy here. And after that, we walk to the other street and found these restaurants. And we had our dinner here. Yeah, seafoods is the best to eat here in Portugal. I don't know the other restaurant, but most of the restaurant we been was really great. Really enjoy the food
Kasi ang space nila
and the
like
company.
now.
Yummy. So now it's evening here, guys. You remember the Campo Pequeño this afternoon? So this is how it looked like in the evening. A lot of lights. Very nice. Those people watching football here, yeah, they love Ronaldo. Yes. Malamig ang hangin dito paggabi, guys, kaya kailangan na namin bumalik sa hotel para sa susunod na araw. We will go sightseeing today, guys. We start with the breakfast first. Breakfast here? Yes. Yes, with my friend here having our breakfast. Yeah. The me behind. That's hotel.
Tapos pwede mo pang lagyan ng cinnamon.
Oh, ayan nga, oh. Breakfast. Fruits. daily breakfast here. Yummy, 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 yummy.
Hindi kasi ako nag-ano.
This will gonna be our home for the next days, guys. It's only 4-star. Pagkatapos namin kumain, naglakad kami sa labas, tas bumalik kami ulit dito sa room namin. Yeah, para mag-ayos ng konti, mag-toothbrush. And naghihintay na nga kami ulit dito ng taxi sa lobby. And our theme for today is wearing shorts. Shorts lang ang aming suot.
Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to hop on, hop off. We're still here in Lisbon. Yeah, Portugal. Mars, can you show your face, Mars? You're not here at the monitor, Mare.
Huh?
You're not here. Can you go to Susan? Yeah. So these are my pretty ladies group. We're going to explore Lisboa. Lisbon. 11:03 in the morning.
Tamang-tama.
Yeah, we're heading to Marquez.
Dahil apat naman nga kami, so every time na lumalabas kami, sumasakay na lang kami ng taxi. Mura lang yung tram nila dito or yung daily pass sa mga train. But for us, hindi namin kinailangan yon kasi sayang yung oras ng paghahanap kapag naligaw-ligaw pa kami. So better for us to share the taxi and give some tip to the taxi driver. Kasi maliit lang naman daw ang kita ng mga tao dito sa Lisbon.
You can see the also. Look at that. The best thing with the gimbal is it's not shake so much. Even I'm using iPhone 17 Pro.
At bago nga kami makasakay ng hop on, hop off na bus, ayun yung yung double deck na bus for sightseeing tour, kailangan namin pumunta dito sa meeting point. And from our hotel, we have to go here to the plaza.
Just here, hop on, hop off. Yes. Oh, thank you very much.
Dito kayo. Join
Yes.
ka. Kasi, oo.
Nandito na nga kami sa meeting point kung saan kami pwedeng sumakay ng hop on, hop out. This is Marquez. And yeah, some pictures with my girlfriends again. And the statue behind. It's a really wonderful place to visit. Yes, and at last, nandito na kami sa bus. And we're heading to Belém. For the edits, another pictures. And yeah, on my other side, this is the right side. Yeah, going to Belém. Those are the expensive shops, left and right. So,
Pwede naman natin itong ulitin para mamaya.
in the tour begins. Yes, it's a whole day tour we booked here. And yeah, let me show you the other part we've been to. And I hope you enjoy watching, guys.
Oo. Pastela de Belém. Smile. Madam. Smile. Baku? Mainit ang alin sa'yo. Takot baka
Pwede din
pumunta
kong
tayo sa
rentahan, guys, 10 euro per head. But we are already late kasi we are waiting for our bus to go to the other place naman. The weather is about 32 degrees and it's really hot and humid. So we are searching for a restaurant and we found this Italian restaurant near the water or near one of the monuments. Let we just have eat first.
Thank you, sir. Okay ka na?
Ayun ko nila, pwes ko na tayo.
Ano? Ano yun? Marami yung kanan.
Parang ano na naman yung spare ribs.
Hanggang ka na naman eh.
Yummy, yummy.
Oo nga.
The best place to eat here in front. To eat in Lisbon with salads. Yummy.
Ito yung itsura ng restaurant sa labas, guys. So, ayan na nga, tapos na kaming kumain. So, naglakad ulit kami sa labas para pumunta dito. This monument is located at the northern bank of the Tagus River in Lisbon, Portugal. It's a stone pillar or market that Portuguese explorers used to leave behind or newly discovered coast to claim land. It looks like the bow of a traditional 15th century sailing ship or a caravel or carack sailing forward. It features statues of 32 famous Portuguese historical figures, led by Prince Henry the Navigator at the front. It stands 52 meters or 170 feet tall. We took other road and used the other kind of bus going to the other castle.
Non è che deve essere una piscina.
Dumating kami rito medyo late na kaya hindi na kami naka-afford na pumunta sa loob ng castle. So nag-explore na lang kami dito sa labas. At maganda rin naman siya, guys. At saka yung bus na pabalik sa city namin ay malapit na rin. So hindi na talaga kaya ng oras na umakyat pa sa palasyo. Kaya nag-enjoy na lang kami rito. Pinanood namin yung mga alay. Yeah.
Ikaw, ano gusto mo? Mango? 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 I have strawberry. Saan? Ano ka? Ano sa'yo?
Pistachio.
Pistachio, okay? €3.
Eksakto pagkatapos namin maubos yung binili namin na ice cream, ay dumating na nga yung bus na sasakyan namin papunta sa city ng Lisbon. Yeah, unfortunately, this is a gray bus and our is only the red one. Actually, they don't allow us to ride on this kind of bus because we pay separate. Pero mababait sila, guys, so wala silang stress dito. Kaya pinasakay na kami pa uwi. So hanggang dito na muna tong video na to, guys, and see you to the other part of our vacation here in Portugal. Thank you so much for watching!